In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log into Krea AI account. Krea AI is a creative suite powered by artificial intelligence for images, video, and even 3D, and getting signed in is quick and secure. All you need is a web browser and a Google account you already use. I'll guide you through each screen and share a few tips so nothing trips you up. First, open your preferred browser and head to Google. In the search box, type Krea and press enter. On the results page, find the official listing titled Krea AI Creative Suite for Images, Video, and 3D. Before you click, take a second to verify the web address on that result. It should be the official domain .krea.ai. That quick check helps you avoid any lookalike links. Click the result to open Krea's homepage. Once you're there, look to the top right corner and click Login. If you're on a smaller screen and don't see it right away, open the Site menu or widen your window so the Login button appears clearly. You'll arrive at the sign-in screen. Choose Continue with Google. This uses Google's secure authentication, so your password stays with Google and you don't have to create a separate password for Krea. It's the fastest and most reliable way to access your account. Google will display an account chooser. Click your existing Google account to proceed. If you use more than one, select the one you want linked to Krea so your projects and settings stay together. You may briefly see a permission screen explaining what Krea needs to identify your account, review it, and continue. If you use two-step verification on your Google account, simply follow the on-screen prompts to confirm it's you. And if nothing happens after you click, your browser may be blocking pop-ups. Allow pop-ups for Krea and try again. After confirming, Google will automatically redirect you back to Krea. You should land inside the app interface and you'll know you're signed in when you see your profile avatar or initials in the corner. From here, you can open existing work or start a new project. If the page seems stuck, refresh the tab. A quick reload often completes the handoff after sign-in. That's it. Search for Krea, open the official site, click Login, continue with Google, and choose your existing account. For faster access next time, consider bookmarking www.krea.ai or the app page once you're in. If you ever need to switch accounts, sign out from the profile menu and repeat these same steps with the correct Google account. Thanks for watching and enjoy creating with Krea.